In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move designs to a folder in Canva. By the end, you'll know the fastest and most reliable ways to keep your projects neatly organized, whether you're moving one design or many. Start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva link to go to the homepage. If you aren't already signed in, log in to your account. Make sure you're in the correct personal or team workspace so your folders and designs appear where you expect them. Let's begin with the best method for moving multiple designs at once. From the Canva homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Projects. This view shows your designs, folders, and uploads in one place. Hover your mouse over any design thumbnail, and a small checkbox will appear in the corner. Click that checkbox to select it, then continue selecting all the designs you want to move. This doesn't duplicate anything. You're just choosing items to relocate. Once your selections are made, click the folder icon. A panel will open where you can choose a destination. Pick an existing folder or use the option to create a new one on the spot if you're organizing a new category. When you confirm, Canva moves the selected designs into that folder. For a quick, single-item move, drag and drop is the fastest. In your projects view or in recent designs, click and hold a design thumbnail. Drag it over to the folder name in the left-hand sidebar, or onto a folder thumbnail if you see it on the main screen. When the folder highlights, release your mouse. The design is now inside that folder, with no extra clicks required. There's also a convenient option right on each design. On any design thumbnail in Home or Projects, click the three dots icon to open the menu. Choose Move to Folder. A list of your folders appears so you can select the destination and confirm. This is especially handy when you're reviewing designs one by one and want to file them as you go. To recap, use Projects with checkboxes and the folder icon for bulk moves, drag and drop for the quickest single move, and the three dots menu when you prefer a simple, on-the-spot action. Keep your folder names clear and consistent, and you'll find everything faster the next time you create. Happy organizing!